Welcome to Mobile Maths with Try. Today I want us to look at simplifying given expressions. So I've got a couple of questions that I want us to look at. So here is number 1. We want to express this one and simplify it. So for this question, what we do, we group like terms, the ones with x together, then we take the ones with a together, then the one which does not have any letter on its own. So I'll take the first ones. So I'll have this is equal to 3x. Then I've got minus 7x. Then plus x. I'm done with the x's. Let's go to the a's. I've got plus 2a. Then I've got minus 5a and minus 2. So what we are basically doing here is I'm taking a number with its sign. Like, for example, 3 here, 3x has got a plus. I'll take it as it is. 7 has got a minus there. I'll take it as it is, as you can see here. Then the same goes with plus x there. So that's basically what we are doing. Okay. Now that has been done and said, let's now simplify. Simplifying, we can now simplify. I can first of all add these two and leave this, taking them down so that I do step by step. That's what I'm going to do. So I'll have 3x minus 7x. I'll have minus 4x. Then I'll take that down, plus x plus 2a minus 5. Okay, let me solve for a. Let me solve for a there. Okay, so for a, I have 2a minus 5a. Then I'll have, if I have that, I'll have a minus, I'll have minus 3a. Then I have minus 2 there. Okay, let's solve for this one, for the first expression. So I'll have minus 4x plus x. I'll have minus 3x. Then I have minus 3a and minus 2. Okay, so looking at our solution here, we do not have like terms, so this becomes the final answer. Let's go on to another question. Okay, here I've got x plus y plus z. This is, you cannot further simplify this. These are different letters, so we leave it like that. That's the final answer. Another question. Okay, this one we have got b, and we've got y and y there. Okay, so I'll be taking them with their signs. So I have 4b plus b minus 11b. Okay, then I've got minus y plus 3y. Okay, let's solve it step by step. Solving it step by step, we will have 4b plus b. We'll get, for the first one, I'll get a 5b, then minus 11b. Okay, solving for minus y plus 3y there, I'll get a plus 2y. Okay, now let's solve for the last part, this 5b minus 11b. Okay, so 5b minus 11b, I will get minus 6b, then plus 2y. Okay, so this can be written as or left like this as the final answer, or else you can write it starting with the positive number first, so we can have the final answer as 2y minus 6b. Okay, it's all still correct. Okay, let's go on to the next question. Question number 4. Okay, this one is the same. We have got same terms there. We've got a. Okay, so here I deliberately wrote plus 1a. When you have plus 1a, is the same as a. Okay, let's do that. Let's adding that, we will have, so I'm going to add the first two. So I'll have 2a plus a. I've got 3a, then minus 6a plus 1a. Okay, then I'll go down, 3a minus 6a, I'll have minus 3a plus a. Okay, then if I add those minus 3a plus 1a there, we get minus 2a. Okay, this becomes the final answer. Let's go on to the last question. Okay, this question has got division. We are having a division, so you solve that part on its own, then you add these ones and taking like terms together. Okay, so I'll divide the first one, so I'll have 15x divided by 3, then I have plus y minus 9y, then minus 6. I've grouped this y and this one together. Okay, let's do that. So 15 divided by 3, I'll get a 5x there. Okay, so I'll write my answer. I will get 5x. Then for this one, 9 minus 9y, I will get minus 8y. Then for the last one, it's on its own, it doesn't have a letter, so this becomes the final answer of our question. Okay, bye guys, let's meet in our next video.